Dow Jones and Nasdaq both traded with a bullish bias, specifically US30 achieving the highs at 35,640, while US100 is traded with a modest bullish bias. Yes, it has taken a support at around 15,980, 16,000 levels, which we have mentioned as a strong support levels, and now at 16,040. So now what to expect with the US session and with the data release? Which position you should take in Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. Thus, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest. Let's start first to look into Nasdaq 100, followed Dow Jones. Watch till the end. Now see Tech 100 on the early charts. After the sharp drop, this is in the retracement zone. It is not bullish. It is not reversed. Only buying entry in US 100 is above 16,000 levels. Very, very clear. If you see the price is staying above 16,000, we can 16,060. You can initiate a buying position. Beyond which also we have to be very cautious with 16,100, 140 zone. Very, very strong resistance exists there. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here at the bottom. We can see a possible rise. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see it has come to the support levels trying to rise here. I will wait for 16,060 levels to be taken for further bullish move here. Also, if you notice here, higher lows, higher highs trying to trade in a, see it was trading sideways here, it has moved to the bullish zone here. Thus, first of all, a bearish move, a selling entry is only below 16,000, very clear. And that 250, even if you are selling at 16,000, you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD has been trading bearish. It is looking forward to crossover for a buy. RSI is looking upwards. On the 3 years after forming lower highs, flat bottom, it is the first bullish candle. This can take it further highs, and any drop below 16,000 years, that should be bearish indication. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish. It can potentially cross over, but right now it is trading bearish. RSI is also looking upwards, suggestive of bullishness. And on the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs after the drop. This is retracement, and wait for it to stay above 16,060, which in fact, even if you are buying at 16,060, remember we have to be very, very careful with the rise. You have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss, and also remember it is trading in this bullish channel in the long run. The support levels at 15,950 levels and 15,940 are very, very strong now. Stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD is in green, but it is almost flat. RSI is also flat. On the daily chart, now look on the daily charts. First of all, the moving averages are a little far below and the prices are divergent from the moving average. Second is still staying in this bullish channel. It has to break below 15,900, 900, 940 levels in order to confirm the bearishness. Yes, if you see Nasdaq 100 below 15,900, stay short for another 100 points. Right now, if you look at it, is yielding higher lows. The preceding candle was a swing candle, and possibly today again we are looking forward to little bullish move, specifically staying above 16,060. We can confirm that it may rise towards 100, 120 levels. There is a possibility to it. Also, it can swing strongly. Stochastic rising, the MACD has taken a bearish cross. It is trying to trade with a bearish bias. Also remember, this crossover has come at a higher levels, thus it can possibly continue. If the today we can see a red candle, yes, more bearishness will follow from today onwards. RSI is overbought. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is announced. You can book a seat. You can reserve your seats now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and my Signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for more details for joining the Telegram channel. And yes, for more details on my mentorship batch, you can visit the platform forexfunda.com. This is my own platform. Here you get the details of the mentorship batch. You can also register for the webinar series which we have started. Every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. More insights are given here, and yes, your questions are also answered here on the webinar. Do register for it, and yes, you can be part of, see, in this platform you get the top stories from across the globe. Also, you get the economic calendar where the data releases are there. You also get the live charts. You can do your own analysis with the help of tools and indicators. And also you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And the important part is the availability. the discussion forum. Do visit this platform, forexfunda.com. You will definitely find it worth it. Now, considering the analysis here, I will recommend you to buy Nasdaq 100 today at 16,060 levels, and any point of time if you see it is staying below 16,000, you have to go for a sell. Remember, it can still show you swings. The divergence here calls for it to move on the downside, and the drop could be sharp enough. We have to be careful with the positions here. Now, on the upside, be careful of 100-140 zone. If you are buying at 16,060, just put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Ensure that it is going to reverse any point of time. Thus, you have to be cautious. On the downside, you can sell here at 16,000. Expect it to drop. But as long as 15,900, 940 zone is not taken, do not treat Nasdaq 100 as bearish. This is also very, very clear. 940 is going to be the major hurdle. Now, let's have a look at Dow. Now, see, US30 has scaled to the fresh highs. It is further looking upwards. How high it can fly? I will be looking forward to here at somewhere 635, 660, 35, 700 zone, which is certainly a greater resistance. Once it breaks below 35, beyond 35, 700, you can treat this as further bullish, as it can possibly drop from those levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish. RSI is also looking upwards here. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour charts closely, you will see stronger bullish candle here, suggestive that yes, prices are looking forward to further rise. 35, 700, close to 700 should be the target here. Very, very strong resistance exists there. Now, on the downside, see, first of all, look at these swing candles and look at this pivot. Thus, if you see it is staying below 35, 550, we can initiate a selling position. But then 35, 500, 480 is the first support zone, and 35, 380, 400 is the next support zone. So, below 35, 480, 500, we can expect more bearishness to prevail here. And see, this is the zone where we are going to see maximum support, and only if it breaks below 480, 500, you can treat this as bearish. One can initiate a selling entry somewhere here at around 35, 570 levels, 35, 560. Expect it to drop more from those levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also back to overbought levels. Coming to 3-hour charts, second consecutive greener candle. Higher highs are done, and it is trading in this bullish channel. The top should be at around 35,700. If it continues to stay bullish beyond 700, 35,800 levels also cannot be denied, showing a very good bullish momentum. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI looking up. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, see, preceding candles, a smaller body, preceding candle comes with the tail. This candle is looking upwards. This can yield a very, very strong bullish candle here. Be watchful, be careful. So far, US30 has taken the support from the 20-period moving average, and thus it is trying to diverge from these moving averages. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought as well. See, though things are overbought, it is still continuing with the bullish momentum. Now, look at the daily chart. See, increasing body size. This candle should be the breakout, and it can continue to achieve higher highs, which are right now positioned at 35,700 and in fact 800 levels. Yes, it can fly towards those levels. These are market. It is still staying in this bullish channel. Now, I will recommend you to buy here at somewhere 35, 660, 670 levels. Or rather, you can buy here at 35, 660 levels. Expect 35, 690, 700 as the first target, and then 35, 800 levels will also get achieved here. That should be the target if it stays above 35, 700. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 35, 570 levels, but then expect 35, 520, 30 or 35, 480, 35, 550 zone also is a very, very good support zone. Remember, it is only bearish if it stays below 35, 5 or 480 levels. Below 35, 480, you can expect further bearishness. But the bottom line here is at 35, 400, and if it draws below 35, 400, you can say that the prices are reversed and a major crash is awaited towards 35,000 levels. As long as 35, 480, 500 is not taken, do not treat US30 as bearish. It can scale past the highs here. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Join my webinar series. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. See you again before the US, Asia and Europe session update tomorrow morning. Watch that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.